Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So of course, nowadays we do not have to do a lot in order to check the safety of our device. All we have to do is to enter the settings. Then we have to find the battery in device care, so basically you have to scroll down to almost very bottom. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the section device protection. So let's tap. It is currently turned off, so we have to tap on turn on and just tap on turn on. As you can see, no threats has been found. We've got this information, but I highly recommend to tap on scan phone again, because as you can see right now your device will simply scan itself. So it will scan the apps, the processes, actually everything which is inside it, in order to find any kind of malware or viruses or any kind of problems. Of course, it may take a while if you've got a lot of apps. Just be patient, do not go back and wait until the scan will be over, will be finished, because your device will be able to show you if the device is protected. If it will find any kind of problems, any kind of malware, it will for sure notify you. It will show you the list of the problems and you will be able to take care of them. So for example, remove some problems, or for example update the app or the system if it is needed. So basically that's all. This is how to virus scan your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.